Welcome to the Arbutus Analyzer tutorial series. This tutorial will be how to reuse existing reporting templates with new report files. To begin defining your first report file, right-click in the project overview and select New Table. Click the Browse button and navigate to your report file. When I click Next, the wizard automatically detects that this is a print image or report type of file. When I click Next again, the wizard also detects that there are some detail records that have the exact same structure and defines them automatically for us. If you want to define header type information from this report, begin by selecting the field information that's of interest from the header record. I'll give this a name. As the hint suggests, the next step is to determine what separates a header record from a detail record. We have to let the software know how to distinguish between the two types of records. In this case, all header records begin with product class colon. So I'll select this with the mouse and then accept that this is what differentiates a header record from a detail record by clicking OK. Now that the header record has been identified, I can continue to define other fields of interest along the header record. In this case, I'm going to change the name of this field to class description. Now that I've defined all the pieces of the report file of interest, I can flatten the report file by going Next. I'll accept the report file default name and click Save. This next screen gives me additional opportunity to provide some column titles or additional field name information for my report. For this example, I'll just click Next. When I click Finish, we have our first report file defined. When the next report comes in, I can begin the process the same way, right-clicking in the project overview, selecting New Table. I'll navigate to the new report, and again I'll select Next, where the wizard detects this is a print image file. Again, Next. It detects the detail records automatically again, and rather than having to go through the process of defining my header records or any other pieces of information, if I already have a report template for this particular report, I can choose from the drop-down the list of the previous reporting templates. In this case, there's only one, so it makes it easy. I'll select Report. We apply the template to the new data, and if it maps correctly, all you need to do is click Next and then Finish to flatten the new report file. If, however, the new report file does not map correctly to the previous template, you can make adjustments by right-clicking on fields and choosing Edit Field or Delete Field if you need to redefine them again. In this case, the data maps correctly, so I'll just choose Next. I'll flatten the new file, select Next, Finish, and there is my second report file. To define more complex types of report files, please see the Analyzer help or contact your local support person.